Hi guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the differences between project management software, Monday.com, Asana, and Clickup. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. And if you're looking for a CRM software, Monday.com is now the leading all-in-one project management. Click the link below in the description box to sign up for free today. In the fast-paced landscape of modern work, where collaboration and deadlines intersect, the role of project management software has become paramount. As teams navigate complex projects and dynamic workflows, the need for a centralized and streamlined approach has never been more critical. Project management software emerges as a cornerstone, offering not just a digital workspace, but a catalyst for efficiency, collaboration, and successful project delivery. In this era of heightened connectivity, understanding the pivotal role that project management software plays in enhancing team efficiency is key to unlocking the full potential of every collaborative endeavor. So let's go ahead and explore the fundamental impact of leveraging project management tools on team productivity and overall project success. As teams aim for enhanced efficiency and collaboration, the selection of the right project management tool becomes crucial. Today, we will explore the advantages and disadvantages of three popular platforms: Monday.com, Asana, and Clickup. Let's kick off with Monday.com, a platform celebrated for its visual prowess and user-friendly design. For the pros of Monday.com, they offer visual and intuitive interface. Monday.com captivates its visually appealing and user-friendly interface, providing an engaging platform for task management. Customizable workflows. They offer a high degree of customization. Teams can tailor workflows to match their unique requirements and processes. They also have extensive integration options that enhances collaboration, seamlessly connecting with various third-party tools. And last here is that they offer automation features. Platform can simplify repetitive tasks, contributing to increased team efficiency. But aside from the advantages of using this platform, there are also some disadvantages or its cons. The pricing structures. Some users may find the pricing quite higher comparing it to the other CRM project management software. They also have a learning curve, wherein while intuitive, users might face a learning curve, especially when they're configuring with complex workflows. Moving on to Asana, a stalwart in task and project management. For its pros, task and project management is easy. Asana excels, offering a robust platform for tracking work with clarity and organization. It has a user-friendly interface. Known for its user-friendly design, Asana is accessible to teams of all sizes, promoting ease of use. Collaboration features. Effective team collaboration is facilitated through commenting, file sharing, and project timelines. They also have a robust mobile app where it keeps the users connected, that allows task management to be easy on the go. While we have its advantages, there also has its cons. It has a limit when it comes to customization. While it's known for its powerful user-friendly design and it's very organized when it comes to task and project management, some users may find customization options limited compared to the other tools. They also have a dependency tracking. These features are present, but they may not be as advanced comparing it to other competing project management tools. Finally, let's dive into Clickup, a platform known for its comprehensive set of features. For its pros, it has a versatile platform recognized for its versatility. Clickup caters to various project management and collaboration needs. It also has a customizable workspace. Highly customizable workspace enables users to adapt to platform to their specific workflows. It also has multiple views. ClickUp offers a variety of task views, providing flexibility for teams to manage and visualize their work. They also have automation and integration. Automation features are streamlined tasks and integration with third-party tools to enhance connectivity. They have collaboration tools as well. This platform, ClickUp, facilitates team collaboration through features like comments, document sharing, and real-time editing, along with your other team members. Lastly, here we have a free plan for rich features. The availability of a free plan with rich features makes ClickUp accessible to small teams and individuals. For its disadvantages, ClickUp may have a learning curve. Due to its extensive features, there might be a learning curve for new users, especially those exploring advanced functionalities. They have an interface complexity. Some users may find the interface a bit complex or cluttered, particularly when utilizing a wide range of features. Their pricing structures. Its free plan is available. Pricing structure for premium plans may be perceived as expensive, or it could be relatively higher compared to other project management tools, depending on their specific needs. And another thing here is that their mobile app experience. While it is functional, some users find the mobile app experience less intuitive compared to the desktop version. So those are the pros and cons of these platform that you can take note, so that by the time that you will be using this platform, you will be able to know on what type of software you'll be using that fits your process or your workflows best. In conclusion to the following pros and cons that we've compared each of the following project management softwares, Monday.com, Asana, and ClickUp offers unique strengths and caters to different preferences and requirements. The choices among them depends on the factors such as how large your team is, what your workflow complexity is, what customizations you need for that specific software, and your budget. Teams should carefully evaluate these aspects to select a platform that aligns best with their specific use